Hi there. Today I'll explain how many questions you can ask ChatGPT for free, so let's find out. Basically, the number of questions you can ask ChatGPT depends on your region and which version you're using. As far as I know, ChatGPT offers three different versions. The first one is GPT-4, the second is GPT-4 Mini, and the last one is GPT 3.5. Let's start by accessing ChatGPT. Now here we are on the official ChatGPT website. From what I've seen, if you're using GPT-4, you can send around 10 to 60 messages every 5 hours. Once you reach that limit, ChatGPT automatically switches you to GPT-4 Mini. Then, if you hit the message limit on GPT-4 Mini, it will switch you to GPT 3.5. On the GPT 3.5 version, you can ask as many questions as you want, unless your activity gets flagged as spam. If you try to abuse the system or violate guidelines, ChatGPT may mark your account as spam. Also, if I click on the upgrade plan option, it doesn't clearly say how many free questions you can ask. But based on experience on the free version using GPT 3.5, you can keep asking questions without a specific limit. And that's it.